Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy. We are Google AdWords specialists. We have over 15 years of experience helping service-based businesses optimize their advertising efforts for maximum return on investment. And today I will share how we have optimized the campaign for a certified collision repairs service provider and drove over 127 high quality leads with reducing the CPA to only 22.40. So now in terms of the client overview, the client specializes in the certified collision repair for luxury automotive brand, offering factory approved procedures, OEM parts and the lifetime warranties. Despite high demand for their premium services, they faced challenges in generating consistent high quality leads in an increasing competitive market. The next is in terms of the client challenges. The client faced several challenges impacting their campaign performance and the lead generation. First is the failed conversion tracking setup. Despite attempts to configure conversion tracking, the setup was incomplete or inaccurate, resulting in unreliable performance data and difficulty optimizing the campaign. Decreased lead volume. Lead generation dropped significantly, indicating gaps in campaign targeting, the ad quality or the bidding strategies. Next is the budget allocation issues. Although the budget was increased, it did not translate into improved impressions or conversions, suggesting inefficiencies in the campaign structure or the ad relevance. Next is the impression drops. The campaign sudden decline in impressions indicating potential issues with the keyword relevance or the quality scores or the ad delivery setting. Urgency for the results. The client required a quick resolution to stabilize the performance, regaining impression share and boost the lead generation within a short time frame. Next is the solutions and the advanced campaign strategies. To tackle these challenges, we have implemented several optimizations. Campaign restructuring with the high intent keywords. We have restructured the campaign to focus on high intent keywords like the certified luxury car repair near me, OEM collision repair services and these type of keywords. Using a combination of exact and the phrase match, we have ensured precise targeting to attract quality leads. Next is to optimize the conversion tracking setup. We have revised and correctly implemented the conversion tracking setup using Google Tag Manager and Google Ads conversion action to ensure the accurate tracking of form submissions, phone calls and the other key actions. This allowed us to gain clearer insights into campaign performance and optimize for the most valuable actions. The next is revised budget allocation and the bidding strategies. We have revisited the budget allocation, adjusting the bids for the high performing keywords and times of the day when conversions were more likely. By ensuring the budgets was focused on the highest converting areas, we optimized the ad efficiency. We also switched to a more targeted bidding strategy such as a target CPA to prioritize conversion over clicks. Next is improved campaign structure. We have restructured the campaigns to focus on more granular high intent keywords, creating highly focused ad groups to improve the ad relevance and the quality score. This allowed us to increase impression share and make better use of the client's increased budget. Enhanced Google My Business redirection strategy. We have launched campaign directing towards the GMB profile, optimized the CTAs for higher engagement and used dynamic location targeting to boost the local traffic. This approach increased the in-store visits by turning online interest into the foot traffic effectively. Targeted remarketing and the audience segmentation. We have segmented the audience based on the user behavior such as the website visits and the engagement with the specific pages like the services and the contact us pages, and implemented the retargeting campaign to re-engage users who had shown interest but had not converted. Tailored messaging for these marketing audiences improved the conversion likelihood. The next is the A/B testing for the ad copy and the landing pages. We have launched a series of A/B tests on both the ad copy and the landing pages to identify the highest converting converting version. By testing various headlines, call to actions and the value proposition, we were able to refine the messaging and ensure the better user experience, leading to higher conversion. Device and location specific adjustments. We have focused on device and location optimizations, adjusting bids for the specific locations and devices to ensure that the budget was being spent efficiently where conversions were more likely. Optimized call extension and the form accessibility. We have optimized the call extension to ensure they were displayed more frequently, making it easy for the mobile users to directly call the client from their ads. Additionally, we have just added a user-friendly form directly on the landing page to streamline the lead capture process, making it easier for users to convert with the minimal effort. The next is the results. Over the 3 months, these strategies delivered outstanding results. Through our targeted optimizations, we have generated around 127 high quality leads from the desired audience, driving significant improvements in the lead generation and reduced the CPA to only $22.40, greatly enhancing the overall efficiency of the campaigns. Additionally, by implementing more engaging ad creatives and the extension, we saw a 35% increase in the click-through rates, which contributed to a higher volume of the traffic and more conversion. In terms of the conclusion, through precise targeting, optimized landing pages and the advanced campaign management, we have significantly improved the lead quality and reduced the acquisition cost. This case study highlights the importance of tailored strategies for competitive and high value industries. So if you have any campaigns running, then we have a phone number on our video on the top right corner. You can contact us through the WhatsApp. If you have the campaigns running, then you can just share with us the PPC account access. We will be able to do the audit free of cost, and then we will be able to let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaigns running, then don't worry about it. We can still give you the best plan of action on what you can do. So just share with us the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We will be able to do the research, and then we can get back to you with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more videos, do hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.